everybody, so welcome back. This is another video of mine and I have gotten so many compliments with my teeth, and I just wanted to show you guys how I did my at-home whitening of my teeth, and everything that I use on my teeth. So basically every night, every day, I will use my Arm & Hammer electrical toothbrush. I definitely recommend electrical toothbrush. And then also I use the plackers and I use regular dental floss. So when I'm on the go in the mornings, I'll use my plackers, and then at night I'll definitely use the floss. And then that's basically all I use. Sometimes I will, this is my regular toothpaste that I do use. I use ones with baking soda and peroxide whitening agents in it. This is not something I use all the time, all year round. I do change up my toothpaste. I do try to get a whitening toothpaste most of the time. Also cavity prevention toothpaste. If you'd like to know some of those, I can link them down in the description box below. Other than that, I'm going to go ahead and jump into the whitening. So I use the Opalescence Whitening Go trays. I love them. I gotta thank my boss at my office that he recommended these to me. These work great for all of our patients and we've had great results. So I just wanted to put that out there and share this with you guys so that you guys can try them out and see how you like them. So my recommendation with these is starting out with 15 to 30 minute increments of whitening with these trays. So basically these trays have a 15% hydrogen peroxide in them, and it also has potassium nitrate, which helps with sensitivity. And with whitening your trays and bleaching your teeth, your teeth and your gums can get very sensitive either to hot and cold temperatures. Alright, so with that being said, you can't really get these over the counter as easy as other products, so I think you can find them on their website and or you can find this on Amazon. Now I don't know the price range on there. I have the prices for our office, but so basically it comes 10 of these come in a pack when you get the box. I don't have the box anymore. I threw it away. But I personally do this once a week or twice a week, just depending on what I have going on that week or that weekend. I am a model off to the side, so I do tend to whiten my teeth pretty often. Basically, you have a lower side and an upper side. So this is them once you open them up, basically. And you'll see that I'm going to start with the upper one. And even on the little tab, it has a U on it. But as you can tell, there's like a little whitish clear tray on the inside, and then on the outside there's a green tray. They're not sticky on the outside, nothing like that. This is probably my favorite product yet. So first things first, I do whiten my teeth with my electric toothbrush and the Opalescence toothpaste, and then I'll go in with my plackers and I will just floss them real quick just to get it. So after I go through and I floss with all my plackers things and all of that, then next things next, I'll take one of my trays, just like so, and it's already got the bleaching stuff in it, which is great. So basically all you do is when you put these in, which I'm going to go ahead and do this, and then we're going to leave these in. If it's your first time using these, then I would do 15 minutes to 30 minutes. Wouldn't do any longer than that for the first time. Then you can increase it 5 minutes or 10 minutes the next time. I'm going to probably leave these in for about 40 minutes to an hour. So what you do is this green tray is basically just to place the clearish white tray in your teeth. And then when you go to do it, you want to kind of like swallow or kind of like suck a little. I don't know how to describe that really. So I just put my gums up around it just a little bit. You don't want your gums on the bleaching material very much because you can bleach your gums. Just like so, guys. So then you leave this on just like this for about 15 to 20 minutes or 30 to 40 minutes. It's up to you. If your gums start to get a little sensitive, then I would end up taking them off, and then I'll explain the rest when I get back. So I have my trash can, and I'm going to take off of these trays now. Took off the lower one, and now you can tell my gums look just a little red, but they're a lot whiter. So this is where you can decide. Basically, I like to take either just water on my toothbrush and take off this whitening stuff, or you can use the Opalescence whitening toothpaste. I don't recommend using the whitening toothpaste afterwards just because it has bleaching agents, or you can use it afterwards. It's up to you. But I feel like that kind of makes my gums just a little bit more sensitive. But my gums right here are just a tad bit sensitive. This is where they typically get sensitive, is right in the crevice of the teeth. The gum line, right there. So other than that, I love this. This is the end result in an hour and like 15 minutes. So if you enjoyed this video and this how-to of how to use the Opalescence stuff, then basically let me know in the comments below, and if you want any more videos like this and the how-to videos, definitely let me know, guys. I enjoy doing these for you and letting you know on products that I've used and I've tried and how much I enjoy doing it for you. So until next time, see you guys later. Bye!